I will make this one persimmons jam because it's already overripe, as you can see. So I will wash this one and then I have to cook now. This one I will not make jam. So just to eat like this fresh. This one, this one, this one, this one. So the rest I have to make jam because it's already overripe. So I will wash now this one. Because Langga, he like also and me also. And Fatma, Fahad and Lakay. So this is, I think this is too much now to make jam. So ito hugasan na natin. Yan, para tanggalin ko yung yung balat. Kasi ayan overripe na masyado. But this is very good to make jam or cake. First, I will make jam and then I have to make also, what is this? Cake. So from jam to cake. So ayan, na natin. Tanggalin natin yung balat kasi overripe na talaga. Ayan. Oh, ayan, tingnan nyo yung juice niya. Oh. Pwede din yung balat niya, kaya lang medyo maitim-itim yung balat niya. So, tanggalin ko na lang. So, ito na yung aking gagawin lahat na persimmons. Ripe persimmons. And ito dito ako magluluto sa kaserola dito sa kaserola. I think this is already enough. This is already cooked. Persimmons jam. Yan. Ayan, malapot na oh. It's already cooked. Ayan. Very sticky now. Ayan ang labot na. Very sticky na. So, ano na ito. Luto na. Tanggalin ko na ito dito para hindi masunog. Ayan. Pan natin. Tapos ito, palamigin ko na lang tapos ilagay ko sa jar, sa bottle. Ayan. Homemade persimmons jam. Cooking persimmons jam. So this is already cooked. It's very sticky now. This one I made it. Overripe persimmons, and this one no need. I have to eat this one with langga or may lakay. Ito na yung ginawa kong persimmons jam. Ayan o. Pwede din ito pang himagas, dessert after ng kain. Kakain ng isang spoon na ganyan o. Ayan, tikman natin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Matamis din kahit walang sugar kasi hindi ko nilagyan ng sugar. Masarap, lasang persimmons.